I have this error here running on one of my bots, so I have to fix it ASAP. I just woke up and it's still showing me this error. So now I get this, and it's super weird because I'm still in the position. It says it's a short, but now it's probably trying to close as another short or something. I'm not sure, but we should, when we see this error, we should see that the wrong side is detected and readjust for that. Okay, so we're gonna have Claude go ahead and fix this up for me because she be tripping. You're absolutely right, Dr. Datadog. The bot is detecting the balance error, but not actually checking the real position. Let me add a forced position check. First sip of coffee. Okay, good morning. 777. Today we got a lot in store for us, as always. Every day. Lock in. 777 to you, fam. I hope you're doing well. Strength test with the liquidations. Oh, I wanted to test that one next, so I'm gonna build that next. Direction strength with licks. Okay, I already got them set up. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and let's get this fixed, and then we're gonna go ahead and get those two set up. Also, we want to figure out the lighter stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if she figures it out now. So it should see that we just hit the max loss. It should have taken me out way earlier, but you know, there's errors sometimes in bots, and this is one of them. You can see wrong side detected. Okay. I may need to intervene on this one because extended has this quirk where if your balance goes negative, you can't close positions. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark it out. Okay, it's out of there. Now I want to go ahead and I want to keep working on the lighter exchange here today. But first, I want to go ahead and see how these did. I ran 3 of them yesterday, and now I'm gonna track all 3 of them. So how do I do that? Well, I go to portfolio here, and first off, let's start with the main. The main thing. Okay, we got the main tracked. Let's go ahead and check out the second main thing. Count 2. And that's the one that had the bug, so that's unfortunate. Yo, Rio, what's up, dude? Wishy, how you doing? 777 to both you, fam. Okay, great. Got them all tracked. Perfect. So now I want to go ahead and set these other 2 up. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, I think I'm going to set it up on account 1 and account 2. Beautiful. So I've got 2 different bots here that I want to set up. And these are the direction strength ones. So I'm going to say account 1, account 2. These are the bows. Okay, now we can run them. So essentially I have two bots down here and I have two new files that I want to run. Direction strength WebSockets, no licks. And then direction strength WebSockets 5.7, 15 minutes. I'm looking forward to both of these. So let's go ahead here and say direction strength extended WebSocket. Okay, let's find that here. Let's get these orders going through too. Direction strength WebSocket, no licks, copy path. Let's see if they work. Let's debug anything that doesn't. Copy path, run. Placing test orders. Okay. That looks like it's Gucci. Da, 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 da. I mean, the thing that I don't see though is getting liquidations. So let's make sure to get out of that here. Or these two at extended direction. It's actually at direction. WebSocket, no licks. At direction. You can see here that it went ahead and it said it had 0 liquidations in the last 10 minutes, but I'm not sure if that's true. We should print out the last part of the liquidation so we can see the sum of that. And remember, if there's an error with getting it, then it should not count it as 0. It should just use the last run. Because I don't think it got the liquidations. Do you? Let's see. WebSocket, getting liquidation data. Okay. And remember, this file here does it perfectly, so you can see how they set it up. So let's say extended SDZ, no licks. Jimmy. And then while she's gone, I want to start working on the lighter stuff as well. Oh, never mind. Context low, run compact. Compact. Conversation too long. Press escape twice to go up a few messages and try again. Cypho, what's up, bro? Adding detailed liquidation logging. Okay. Lighter exchange here. Lighter exchange functionality test here. Logging. I want to ask, I might as well ask, what's her face about it? I don't even know what her name is anymore. Nor can I find her, so I'm just going to use Claude. Does this file have any other files that it depends on? Or can it do all of the functionality within this file? I think it can do everything in here. Oh, lighter wrapper extends from .env. File depends on external files. External dependencies is lighter wrapper. So really it's just the lighter package and then the lighter wrapper. So really it's just the lighter package and the lighter wrapper, right? Adding detailed liquidation stuff. This file depends on exactly right. So you need the lighter wrapper and the lighter package. Okay. That's pretty chill. See how long this wrapper is. Not too long. Perfect. We'll work on that next. Okay, so you can see here, we can run this again now. Getting liquidation data records. You can see it came back with no liquidation data. Let's go to debug here, liquidations. But then in the debug liquidation, recent liquidations on CSV, it shows plenty of them. I can see the issue now. The problem is the timestamp column contains the wrong type of data. Rico 777, fam. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and see what it shows now. Rico. API error, keeping previous state. All right, nice printouts. You can now see the actual errors for both of them. Fix both. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Go ahead, see what's Gucci now. Error still, huh, fam? Hey, bro, you got mad examples of how to organize this data. I know there's no labels on them, but you got this, bro. Look at all these examples. at extended. Look at them examples, B. Let's get it. The examples, the answers in the examples. It's in the examples. It's the examples, dude. It's the examples. By the way, we have the TradeBot Challenge coming up here on Tuesday. You can see the boot camp is closed, but the TradeBot Challenge has 30 tickets available, and a few are already gone. So if you want in on Tuesday, it's going to be a 3-hour live event, 10 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going to show you step by step how to automate your trading, and I'm going to show you everything about the AI that I'm using. So even if you don't know how to code, I will show you how to code. I'll show you how to have AI code for you. And I'll show you literally everything needed in order to become an automated trader. There should be a link. Actually, it's not even in the description. So let me go ahead and put it in the description. That would be a smart move. But it's tradebotchallenge.com. And that's coming up on Tuesday. So I look forward to that. I hope you're hyped, bro. I hope you're hyped. Cause I'm hyped. Cause I'm hyped, fam. Cause I'm hyped, fam. Alright, it's in the description now if you want that. Compacting convo again? Holly Hally. Da da da. Oh, while this happens, actually, nah, I don't want to do too many things at once. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna be patient. It's just that there's a lot of waiting involved with AI, so you can research things. I'm gonna research actually. While she does that, I do this. OpenAI Dev Day. Oh, she's done. Getting lick data. Bro. Those two bots I sent you, they work perfectly. Grabbing the API, assigning the columns how they should be, and then organizing them. So you have two really great examples here that you can use in order to do this, but we're still running into this error. On this bot. Okay, here are working examples. I think it's because it keeps compacting. Okay, there's a working example for you, bro. Extended direction strength extended, no licks. All sessions are now live. Developer State of the Union. Built for SF by SF. Building on with open models. Sora image gen. Scaling AI applications to enterprise. Model behavior. Measuring agents with interactive shipping with Codex. Intro to agent builder. Evals. OpenAI on OpenAI. Agent kit demo. Orchestrating context engineering. This is the one that I was looking at. Can't listen to it. Perfect. The bot has the exact same logic. Okay, let's see it. AVAX, what's up, dude? The 777 is my protector. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. Beautiful. So licks too high. Okay, that's the first one. And then the second one. Let's go ahead and see if we got this one going too. This one should be no licks. 15. Copy path. Python. Run it. This should show it should be off as well. What's up, Wishy? Okay, that worked on the other one. Great job. Go ahead and update it on this one as well with the same fix you made above because it worked on that one, just not on this one yet. Thanks. You can start building and testing apps in ChatGPT. I think that's interesting. Agent Kit, introducing Agent Kit, build, deploy, and optimize agentic workflows. GPT-5 Pro is now in the API. Codex is now GA. Don't know what that means. GPT-5 API requests are 40% faster. Wow, there are so many dazzling features. Reading some AI slop. So Apps SDK, I want to read through this. Apps SDK is available in preview today. Compacted in Genka, bro. Designed for quality. App design guidelines. App developer guidelines. Getting started plan. Research use cases. Build. Set up your server. Create and configure an MCP server. Deploy. Build your app. Deploy your app. Guides. Optimize metadata. Security and privacy. App design guidelines, I suppose. These guidelines will give you everything you need to begin building high quality, consistent, and user friendly experiences inside ChatGPT. A good app should answer yes to most of these questions. Does it fit naturally into a conversation? Is it time bound or action oriented? Is the information valuable in the moment? Okay, here we go. So it should be using the same one now. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check it out. Trading pause. Perfect. Okay, both of these are correct now, so I can move on to the lighter exchange. Both of those work now. Great. Let's go ahead and make sure that they're both tracked perfectly. Let's go ahead and check them out. So account one, okay. Portfolio. Okay, that's good. Account two, let's check it out. Okay, great, dude. So let's make sure that these are both on the right accounts. This should be account 2. And this should be account 1. Perfect. Run it. Says account 2. I've got them both running, fam. They're going to be running down here, and I'm going to be watching for errors all day. And then I'm going to start working on something else. It's for the Lighter exchange now. Okay, we're moving on to Lighter. Lighter exchange is another exchange, Lighter.xyz. You can check it out for yourself if you please. If you please, you can check it out for yourself, dude. I'm stepping on the gas pedal every day, every day, every day. If you want to learn from me, go ahead and join the TradeBot Challenge. It's on Tuesday at 10 a.m. It's going to be a 3-hour challenge where I show you step by step how to automate your trading, and that's the challenge. The challenge is to get you to become an automated trader in 3 hours. That's absolutely crazy. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if you'll be able to pass or not, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. There's only 30 tickets available, so if you want in on that, get in on that. I will show you step by step exactly how to do everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and start working on our Lighter exchange now. So Lighter OFI advanced no licks. Okay. Okay, so when I run this, I'm just getting into some errors. So let's go to Lighter on my exchange on my other browser. Okay, and let's go ahead and just run it. And then here, I've got these examples here. Lighter wrapper, copy path. Lighter wrapper, copy path. Between these two files, we should be able to make orders work perfectly. So I want you to look at our current Lighter OFI advanced no licks.py, and there's some sort of error here that's not allowing us to put in the actual orders. So what I want you to do is look through the above files, because those above files work perfectly to put limit orders, put market orders, etc., in. But our bot's not working. So you need to compare those files above to our files here. And then go ahead and build a test file just like the exchange functionality test here, so we can see what's going on, like see if our orders are working, because we're just running into this error where it says executing long trade, and then it says we'll loop until 95% filled, but then it just doesn't do anything from there. AKA no orders are put in, nothing. So just make a test file that does exactly what the above tests do. Put the limit orders in, cancel them, etc., Essentially copy over that file. Make sure the wrapper's over here as well. Maybe add that to the nice funcs file. But yeah, we essentially get to this point where we get stuck, and it says it's about to order, but it doesn't actually order, and it doesn't loop until it's filled, which it should. We're trying to mimic the functionality of this code, this extended OFI advanced no licks, but for Lighter. Lighter. And then it just shows this sending ping BS, bro. No, I don't need you to send me a ping, fam. Dr. Datadog, I can see the issue. Your Lighter bot is getting stuck after will loop until 95% because your order placement is failing silently. Let me compare the working files that your bot and create a comprehensive test file. Let me check your Lighter nice funcs, okay, to see what's wrong with the order placement, okay. Jimmy GD 777. Choose happiness. What seems to us as bitter trials are often blessings in disguise. Okay, 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 okay. I see you, fam. Thank you. 777. Poor use cases, display long form, use space for ads, upsells. Let's say OpenAI apps. You can now chat with apps. Got the OpenAI apps SDK working and loading data now to make it useful. Marketplace ad pros. They dropped apps in ChatGPT and it's bigger than plugins ever were. You can literally talk to Shopify, Canva, or Zillow straight away in your chat. OpenAI dropped 2 massive updates, Agent Builder Apps SDK. Loved OpenAI Apps SDK, so did we. OpenAI new chat apps giving the same vibe as GPTs in 2023, fam. It's kind of where I'm at. That's what I'm seeing. But I gotta look into it at least. OpenAI agents are coming, yada yada. Okay, the key was matching how your bot file was working. Okay, so you could run this to test it, but let's see if we just can get it going. Let's go ahead and test it. Let's test it. So Python test lighter orders. So test lighter orders here. Let's go ahead and see if we can get these orders in, fam. Check balance, okay. Oh, I got an error. On the test orders, I got this error, but remember, this works perfectly. Dun, 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 dun. This one works perfectly, cousin. That one works perfectly, so why aren't you working perfectly? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Jimmy GD Olanado AXV Rico C4 Jimmy Buffett Doge Real Fortunes Olanado Rico Hot Atlantis. All right, dude. Let's go ahead and keep unraveling. Let's unravel, unravel, unravel till the raveling needs to be done, 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 done. Done, done, done. Datadog done, no. Datadog's not done yet, no. I'm gonna close that one, okay. Okay, perfect. The test now worked. Let's get it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, yeah, no, no. Let's see if it actually works, bro. Dun, 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 dun. Na, 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 na.